Good morning everyone. Today in this video I'll be talking about Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification. What is this? This eminent scientist have classified all life forms into 5 kingdoms. 5 kingdom. Always remember that is kingdom. Number 1, the kingdom is known as Monera. Monera is basically simple life form like bacteria. Best example is bacteria. Second one is Protista. Protista means, always remember these terms very carefully, unicellular, eukaryotic organisms like amoeba, paramecium. Got it? So first one is Monera, the simple life form. Mono means one. So like that, Monera is a very simple thing, bacteria. Protista means unicellular eukaryotes. Okay, they are not microbes. Remember that. Don't write it unicellular eukaryotic microbes. No, unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Okay. Third one is fungi or fungi. Means heterotrophic eukaryotic. These terms are very important. Heterotrophic means they don't make their food on their own. They have to depend to get the food on somebody else, like plants or bacteria, something like that. So heterotrophic eukaryotic, cell wall containing organisms. They're very complex in nature. Best example is mushrooms, right? And yeast. They are the fungi. So heterotrophic eukaryotic. Okay. Cell wall containing. The cell wall basically made up of chitin. Okay. So cell wall containing heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms, not the microbes. This is the third kingdom. Fourth one is plantae. Means plants. Now, how you will define them? Autotroph. Autotrophs means they can make their food on their own. So that is autotrophic organisms. Okay. And they also have cell wall, cell membrane, etc. Cellulose containing cell wall. That is plantae, means the plants. Number 5, that is the last kingdom, is Animalia. Means we, the humans, all the animals, lions, goats, everything, they are under the kingdom of Animalia, which are nothing but multicellular eukaryotic organisms, but we don't have any kind of a cell wall. So we don't have any cell wall. Remember that. We people don't have any cell wall. Don't write it down in your exam papers that we also have the cell wall. No. We are multicellular eukaryotic organisms without any cell wall, and make sure that don't confuse between these two. The fungi, they are also multicellular sometimes. They are also eukaryotic, but they have the cell wall made up of chitin. But we people, we also multicellular eukaryotes. Fungi are also eukaryote, mushrooms are eukaryotes, humans are also eukaryotes. But we humans or the lions or any kind of animals, they don't have any kind of a cell wall. So remember it carefully. So there are total 5 kingdoms. Okay. Now after the 5 kingdoms, this classification basically based on 3 parameters. What are the parameters? First one is basically mode of nutrition. What kind of a food the animals are having for their sustainability of life, to survive in the world. So mode of nutrition. Second is cell structure, whether multicellular, unicellular, or without any cell, or very complex in nature. So cell structure. And number 3 is the complexity, how much complex they are. Like Monera, as for example, I have already mentioned, Monera is very simple life form, but fungi or plantae or animalia, we all are very complex in nature according to the cell wall or the cell structures and all. So depending upon these three parameters, Whittaker's, he was able to classify the animals, the living things, actually not the animals, sorry, all the living things into total 5 kingdom. Okay, so this is all about the Whittaker's contribution in microbial diversity of life, and this one is the second contribution after the binomial nomenclature by Carolus Linus. Now in next video I'll be talking about the third contribution by Carl Woese. Till, thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and on this topic I'll also make the videos, short videos. If you want, you can check. Thank you so much.